Hi, this is Jesse Barkasy. It is Saturday, February 14th at 9:18. Happy Valentine's Day. What I want to do today is share a couple of my websites. I'm experimenting with them. I had them for a while, but I want to start seeing if I could draw people in a little bit to use the websites. First, I have here universalking.com. It's not universalking.com actually yet because I'm using a Wix. I built it with Wix website, so it's universalking.wix.com/universalking. And basically, this is just a website where I have my favorite links, very popular links, that I use: Amazon, Drudge Report, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Some of the news I follow: stocks, weather, things like that, recipes for cooking, and Craigslist and Google. So just easy at my fingertips. So if I'm ever somewhere else, I don't have to go through favorites or type it in. And I remember, I have kind of a routine where I check this, and this. I check Drudge Report, I check LinkedIn, look at some jobs, maybe, go to Facebook, see what my family's saying for 5 or 10 minutes. Check the business news, check the weather. Just things that I would have done normally by television, but I can do it in my own time. Any suggestions are welcome. This is the website so far. I have a photo of when I was in New York with my nieces and nephews on my wife's side. So there's Yelp down there too to help you find restaurants to eat at. And I don't have much on the other pages. Nothing yet. Contact on the back if you want to contact me. Do I have that on there? I thought I did. Yes, you can contact me. Okay, and so that's universalking.com. So universalking.wix.com/universalking. That's straightforward and simple. And there's some free games on MiniClip. When you click it, it'll pop up. So you got to get rid of pop-up blockers. Oh, that one didn't. So let me see. Do I have it pop up or not? I don't. I thought I did. Let's see. I'll click. Oh, I guess I don't have pop-ups on, so you don't have to worry about pop-up blocker. I used to have them pop up, the websites, so I don't anymore. So you kept the main website in the background. So that's a nice main page for people to use. At one point, I was getting 10,000 hits a month, and the software I was using got kind of old and messed up, so it was very difficult for me to navigate and to keep fixing. So I stopped it. Unfortunately, I should have kept it going because it was getting quite popular. Okay, so that's Universal King. The next website I want to show you is Mesa9. Mesa9 is a social network. I'm kind of getting tired of Facebook and Twitter in a way. When you go on Facebook, you have to follow and follow somebody back. Usually, they have a follow now where the person really doesn't communicate to you. But the way it's set up, it's kind of, to me, almost a super advertising site now, rather than a communication site. And when you're on there, people expect that you want to play games all the time, and they expect you to hear their radical views and I don't know, things like that. So I wanted to calm things down a little bit in a way, but in another way, take more risks and be more crazy in thinking of ideas. And so we have the symbol here of the round table with various people of various from various parts of the world, various races or whatever you want to call them. And to sign up, you go right here. Right now, you could sign up you don't even have to put your real email in if you're worried about privacy. I just have if you have the email, though, you'll be able to get private messages and notified when they come in. But right now, I just want people to try it, so I don't mind if there's some fake emails in there, and you don't want to be you don't want it known who you are. So that's how you sign into Mesa9. You click sign up here on the bottom, and you make an email address, your password, your first and last name, your birthday, male or female, your country, and your state, and you agree to the terms. Yeah, it'd be good if you're 18 years old, but hopefully the site will stay clean, and if there's anything wrong, I will monitor it and eliminate any kind of crazy behavior that's not nice, pretty much. So I'm going to sign in. And you log in like this. And here's how Mesa9 works. So I haven't used it in a while. See if anybody else is online. You go right here. Shows myself. Shows my followers. There's a lot of fake followers in there because we're still in beta, stage of this. I don't know what this is. Just cancel here. I'm gonna just try it. Okay, delete it. Okay, I guess I can delete a lot of these, so that's a really nice feature. I think my friend Dave is working on this, and I haven't been able to pay him for a while, but it looks like he's enabled me to cancel these people. Okay, so that's really good. He's working on it. So my groups are here, friends and so forth. My topics. These are the topics that I talk about. There's a guy I really like, Felix Dennis, Getting Rich. So I post a video by him. Now, we're not, that advanced as Facebook and so forth, so it's a little bit harder. To share your photos or video, what you have to do is you have to put the HTML link in here. So say I go to YouTube and I play a video. Okay, I'll just tap this video real quick of the Jimmy Fallon Tonight Show. I'm not going to play the video. Let me put a pause there. But I want to share it, and I will go like this. Okay, so that's how you normally share it. You put the link in. We're not that advanced yet, so what you have to do is you got more options. Oh shoot, where is it? There's a way to share it with the code, and I don't know. Maybe they don't. Oh, here it is. Embed. I'm sorry. So embed, and you click the embedding code. Copy. And click here. This should should have disappeared, but okay. And you paste the embedding code instead. Okay, and you type your message here. I'll put it. Unfortunately, I'm in the wrong area. See, so I'm in the Felix Dennis area, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to go back home and start over here. I'm going to go to share or post my video here. Click it. Clicked it twice. And backspace, get that out of there. And I'm going to embed the media. Paste. And type my message here. Just Jimmy Fallon with Norman Reedus. I haven't watched this video, so I don't know what it is. So, and I'll just put here a topic word, new. Click new. Jimmy Fallon, or Tonight Show maybe. Or both. And I'll make it public so anybody could see that I just posted about it. I'll type in, this is funny. Now another feature we have here before I post this is I have a feature that Facebook and Twitter don't have. You can change the colors of the typeset, which is nice. I like this. And then I could change more colors there. I can do spacing. I could do numbering 1, 2, 3, and I could hit it. This is cool. So it really did a really good job with this, and I want to be like more professional with this website. Eventually, I wouldn't mind being able to post resumes and so forth, so people can look for jobs. But more of a business type website or a meeting of the minds website where I share cool things. So I'm gonna hit submit here, and hopefully this works since I'm doing this for the video. And it did. Now, like I said, we're not as fast and everything as the faster, the bigger websites and so forth. So please excuse me. And there we go. The link finally came up because we're poor on a server. And the video will start playing inside my website eventually. I don't know what's taking so long. I think my kids are playing video games over there, and it's kind of slowing us down a little bit.
I'm here with
There we
Norman
go.
Reedus, and he and I are getting ready to go head-to-head or face-to-face in the game.
Okay, so that was how you post the video. And you post regular messages, just don't post anything there. But you have to embed like photos and things like that. I can't put files in there yet. We don't have a big enough server to put files and everything yet. If we start getting people using this, what I'm going to do is I would like to put advertisements like over here, and that way I could pay for improvements, you know, or I wouldn't mind doing a Kickstarter. I don't know if I could do a Kickstarter for this because it's such a because it's a social network type thing. So okay, so anyway, that's one feature. So then I can go right here. If I click my own name, it'll go to my own my profiles and things like that. So here are my topics and show more, and here are my live topics. Okay, and that just brings it to everything that I've posted. Here's my info and my profile, my birthday and everything, and my gallery. So this is my gallery. I just posted some photos of tomatoes from my garden, a sandwich I made with it, pizza. I made a funny picture with Angelina Jolie. They allow you to put your face in there. My kids at Christmas time. Okay, so that's you can make a little album of 9 photos, not a million, 9 of your favorite photos. These aren't my favorite photos, but I just, you know, I'm getting back into this again. Okay, so the next thing you could do, the really good feature I like, is my groups. So manage all. What you could do here, this is interesting. I put friends, so manage group or create a new group. To create a new group, what happens is you go here, and I could create a group that says like stock market. So these are people that like I would deal with in the stock market, and I would go down this list. There's a lot of fake names in here right now because we're just testing it. So I know this guy likes to talk about stocks. I drag his profile over here, and it would be in stock market. I want to include myself. So what happened? Oh my God, goodness. Am I not wide enough here? Let's see. Okay, so let's see, added connections. Oh, okay. Do I gotta put them here? I'm not sure. There we go. I had to put them down there. So it's, for some reason, it's a little off here. Ankit, he likes to talk about, he's my friend from India, likes to talk about stocks. So I put him there. So that's how that works. This guy used to like to talk about stocks. Let's see. Where is he? Oh. JC used to talk about stocks. So, okay, what happens in these groups anyway is, so I hit save, and that'll be stock market. So I have these two groups, friends, and then, you know, stock market. And if I want to delete the group, it's easy just to delete them. They don't know they're in a group. They don't care. Why should they? But what it happens here, when I go to stock market now, anything I type here, you know, would go to the stock market group. So stock day, I'll just make up something. So this is who it's going to go to. Oops, when you click new, it starts over again. So stock day, and I like stocks. So that's how you would submit. Now, see, that went right to stock market group. And you can see up here that that's into the stock market group. And if I click it here, I'll probably see it because I'm in the stock market group. Okay, so if I take myself out of the stock market group, that should disappear. Let's see if it does. Okay, manage all. I don't even know if I can take myself out. I haven't used this in a while. So go here, and boy, we got to get this server faster. So I'll manage the group. I did include myself, but we're off here because the connection should be, oh. Okay, there we go. Stock market. Manage group. Oops. I don't know why I'm clicking manage group and there's something wrong here, so we'll have to figure that out. Because when I click manage group, it should enable me to, take people out and so forth. Something is obviously wrong. So we haven't used this in a while. So, but that's how, I can always delete the group too. So I can go delete group. Okay, delete group. Now what's going to be interesting is I want to see if this post still comes there because we're still working on this website. Yeah, it's still there. Okay, so that's no longer in stock market group because it's just a post I did, so it goes to everybody. So anyway, that's how that works. And the last thing is we have a messaging area. So we're experimenting with this. In this area, you can just send a new message. And I start typing the name. Okay, and so I could go here and oops. Gotta click his name, and then it'll go to him. Just a message specifically to one person. Hi, and test. Then I would hit send, and it would come up like over here. I'm not going to send this because I don't want to disturb that person right now. And it'll come here, and you can see the different replies. So if you get a message and you're talking to someone, there you go. And that's how it works. So go home. And I'm the only one that's put post for a while. So I'm trying to get other people to use this. Let me delete this page, delete this post. Stock day. And that's it. So that's a little version of Mesa9. I hope you enjoyed it and you start using it. I'm going to see if I could get some. I basically ran out of money to work on the website. So we're going to try to, get things going again. And I'm going to see. I really would like to develop this further because the more I use Facebook and Twitter and other websites, I'm kind of getting, don't want to use them. It's not fun anymore. I want to be more basic, just to type back and forth to somebody and not have all these things inviting to games. And, I wouldn't mind having some things like that are fun, but I kind of want to make it more simplified and basic. So anyway, have a great day. Try to use Mesa9. I hope you like it. And I'm going to do some deletions and stuff on here, see if I could fix this up. Have a great night and let me know what you think. Thank you.